Now we will solve this quadratic using the method of completing the square. Here we have our second coefficient even, and it's simplest. So what we do is we begin by complete our square. Here we write x squared minus 2. We force this 2 times x, the first coefficient, times. Here we have minus 8 minus 2. So what is the number to multiply by minus 2 to get minus 8? Surely it's 4. Now minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. So good. Our balance is good. Now what we do to complete our square is to add the b squared. Here we have x squared minus 2 times x times 4. So we must add 4 squared minus 2 times x times 4. This 4 is our second element. We add it, but here our balance is again not good. We must, to restore our balance, to subtract this 4 squared. Now, and continue with our minus 20 equals 0. Now, our equation is balanced. Those two terms can cancel. 2 times 4 is 8. Good. And here we have our square completed. We have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a minus b squared. So x playing the role of a and 4 playing the role of b. So what we do is x minus 4 squared. X minus 4 squared minus, here we have 4 squared, which is 16, minus 20 is equal to 0. And here we have gained our square completed. We just continue to factor our equation. Minus 16 minus 20 is obviously minus 36 equals 0. And 36, of course, is a perfect square. So we continue x minus 4 squared minus 36 6 squared equals to 0. And here we use the second special product. E squared minus b squared is a minus b times a plus b. Our e is x minus 4, our b is 6. So we have x minus 4, which is our a, minus 6, which is our b, times x minus 4 again, which is our e, plus this time plus our b, which is 6. 6 equals 0. And here, just calculation, x minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10 times x minus 4 plus 6 is plus 2 equals 0. And here it's finished. Now we have product of two numbers equals 0. And this implies that x minus 10 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. Here, pass 10 minus 10 to the other side, we get x equals 10 or x equals minus 2. And we have finished what we have to do. But here I will add the smarter way to do it. Here we have x squared minus 8x minus 20. Now the second method, but we must know the solutions or be smart enough to get them from here. So we will write x squared minus 8x minus 20 equals 0. Now we use our trick. Since we have 10, from here we have plus 2. We write x squared and this plus 2, passed it here, plus 2x. Here we have minus 8, but we have here plus 2. So we need to subtract 10x to get our balance. Plus 2x minus 10x, it's minus 8. Minus 20 equals 0. And here we have x as common factor, x times x plus 2, and minus 10 the other common factor, minus 10x plus 2 equals 0. And finally we have our factorization. X plus 2 is the common factor here, times x minus and 10 equals 0. And again we have our factorization, but here with just 4 lines, as you see, which concludes our work.